This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Doug Gibeon. Fantastic in amp, spacious 2 halves with a split floor plan design plus a huge family room and amp, a big screened patio. Lovely tile and amp, laminate throughout, redone kitchen including like new refrigerator and amp, dishwasher. Newer washer/dryer as well. Updated bathrooms too. This one is move-in ready and amp. The best news is that IT has a brand new roof installed July 2022. Hurricane protection on all windows. Beautiful fireplace included. Great corner lot location and amp, 1 block to the active clubhouse and amp, pool. Short distance to University Dining Room or MCNAB Road for tons of shopping, and amp, restaurants. Low HOA fees cover lawn care, exterior painting, roof cleaning, front sprinklers. 1 person must be 55. Dog-friendly community too. For more information, review the details below or contact Doug Gibeon at 954-369-0271.